Namaste. In the last class, we have studied about tangram, isn't it? Yes. What is tangram? It consists of 7 flat geometrical pieces. It is used to make different shapes. We have studied 7 pieces tangram, isn't it? Yes. Each piece is called tan, isn't it? Yes. What are the shapes are in that tangram pieces? Yes. 2 large triangles, 2 small triangles and 1 medium triangle, then 1 square and 1 parallelogram. We made different shapes, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about maps. What is map? Yes. Map is a drawing of an area of land showing physical features such as roads, building, bus and railway stations, etc. Suppose we are going to draw a map of Parashala. Tell me the physical features of Parashala. Yes, one Mahadeva temple is there, one government LP school is there, then government hospital, then Bharatiya Vidyapeetham Central School, police station, then a railway station. These are the physical features of Parashala. Have you understood? Have you understood the physical features? Yes. A map has directions marked on it. That is east, west, north, south. When we are in unknown places, the map guides us by showing directions. Map of a large area is drawn on a smaller area. This is done so that the map can be carried easily. Okay. See the first question. Let us look at the map given below. It shows a small neighborhood area. The children Mihir, David, Ariana and Ruhi studied in the school shown on the map. See, this is the 4 directions: north, south, east, west. Okay. See, this one is Mihir's house, ELM coach, Ariana's house, then this one is Main Street, library, David's house, Berry Drive, this one is Park Lane, lane means small road. Okay, park, then supermarket, Sunrise Street, mini land, school, then Ruhi's house. See the first question. Draw lines from each child's house to show the shortest route they must take to reach school. See, first one, here how many children? Mihir, David, Ariana, Ruhi. See, Mihir's house is this one, then David's house is this one, and Ariana's house is this one, then Ruhi's house is this one. So, we want to draw how to show the shortest route they must take to reach school. Shortest route to reach school. See, Ruhi's house is this one. See, shortest route from Ruhi's house to school. See, this from Mini Land, along Mini Land, then move to north, then reach Sunrise Street, then move to east, then south. This is school. Then Ariana's house. From here to move to Sunrise Street, then along east, then turn along south to reach school. The next one, Mihir's house. From this to move south along Main Street, then move along east to a Sunrise Street, then turn and move along south to reach school. Then at David's house, move to Berry Drive, then move along south, then turn to east and move along south to reach school. See, how would Ruhi's mother reach the supermarket? What is the answer? She goes north along Mini Lane. She goes, Ruhi's mother. She goes north along Mini Lane and east again along Sun Street, then go to supermarket. Okay. Then, how would Ariana's mother reach the supermarket? She would go east along Sunrise Street. She would go east along Sunrise Street and go to supermarket. Then, how would Ariana reach Mihir's house? Ariana reach Mihir's house. See how to move. She would go east along Sunrise Street. She would go east along Sunrise Street. She would move east along Sunrise Street and then north along Main Street. Then north along Main Street to reach Mihir's house. Okay. Then next, which student's house is closest to the library? Closest to the library. David's house. Closest to the library. David's house. Isn't it? Yes. Then, whose house is closest to the park? David's house. See. Whose house is closest to the park? David's house is closest to the park. Okay. Then, whose house is farthest from the park? Whose house is farthest? Long distance. Farthest means long distance from the park. Ruhi's home. See. From the park in a long distance Ruhi's house, isn't it? Yes. Then, if Ruhi's father wants to take her to the park, he must drive north along Mini Lane. See, if Ruhi's father wants to take her to the park, Ruhi's father wants to take her to the park. Park is here. He must drive along Mini Lane. He must drive along Mini Lane. East along Sunrise Street. East along Sunrise Street. And north along Berry Drive. North along Berry Drive. And east along Parkland. And east along Parkland to reach park. See the next map. Study the map given below and complete the sentences that follow. See, first one, see the map. City Forest, Museum. This is the entry of museum. Then, Hemkund Road, PV Stadium, entry of the school. Then, zoo. This is zoo. Then, First Avenue, food court, Second Avenue. Then, Mina's house, Lada's house. Then, cafe, park circle, Mini Lane, entry of gas stadium. Then, Akshat's house, First Avenue. Then, Bandhu Road. See the first question. Mina wants to go to the zoo. She takes the Second Avenue. Then she would go dash along dash, and then she would go dash along dash. Mina wants to go to zoo. Mina wants to go to zoo. Where is zoo? Zoo is here. Zoo is here. This is zoo. See. Then Mina wants to go to zoo. She take the Second Avenue. She take the Second Avenue. Then she would go dash along dash. North. See the directions. North, south, east, west. She is in the Second Avenue. Then she would go dash along dash. Dash along dash. See, north, north, north along dash. North along, which road is this one? North along Mother Teresa Road. See. Mother Teresa Road. Then she would go dash along dash. She wants to go zoo, dash along dash. East along which one? East along which one? First Avenue. See. East along First Avenue. Okay. Then Akshat watched a match at PV Stadium. Akshat watched a match at PV Stadium. PV Stadium is here. PV Stadium. Then, after that, he wants to go to the gas station. After that, he wants to go to the gas station. After watching the match, he wants to go to gas station. Then, for that, he would drive south along Hemkant Road. For that, he would drive south along Hemkant Road. So, he drive south along Hemkant Road. Then, he would take the dash and exit at dash. He would take which one? Which one is this? Park Circle. He would take Park Circle. Park Circle and exit at dash. And exit at dash. Exit at for reaching gas station. Exit at Mini Land. Mini Land. Okay. Then see, which is the shortest route from the zoo to museum? Which is the shortest route from the zoo to museum? Zoo is here to museum. Museum, where is museum? Museum is here. Zoo to museum, shortest route. See, go along First Avenue, zoo to museum. Go along First Avenue. See. And go along First Avenue. Then take Park Circle. Then take Park Circle and after the Park Circle, the entry of museum, isn't it? So, exit at this First Avenue. So, exit at this First Avenue. Okay. Once again, which way? Which is the shortest route from the zoo to the museum? Go along First Avenue, then take Park Circle and exit at First Avenue. Go along First Avenue and take Park Circle. Take Park Circle and exit at First Avenue. Then question number D. Leda is at gas station. She wants to go to the food court. She exits at Hemkant Road. Then she would go dash along the dash. See the map. Leda is at gas station. She wants to go to food court. She exits at Hemkant Road. Exit at Hemkant Road and reach to food court. See, then she would go dash along the dash. She would go dash along. Dash along which direction? Which direction? East. East along the second avenue. East along the second avenue. Leda is at gas station. She wants to go to the food court. She exits at Hemkant Road. Then she would go east along second avenue. East along second avenue. Then last question. Meena exits City Forest and comes to First Avenue. She wants to go to the PV Stadium. She would go dash along dash and turn dash. Then she would turn dash to take dash. See the map. Meena exits City Forest. Meena exits City Forest and comes to First Avenue. She wants to go to the PV Stadium. She would go dash along dash. She would go she is here. She would go north along Banju Road and turn east. Then she would turn north to take Hemkunt's Road. Isn't it? North along Banju Road and turn east. Then she would turn north to take Hemkunt's Road to reach PV Stadium. Today we discussed about map, and now the time to wind up. Namaste.